people, happy Easter. That means it's time for another Easter vacuum test. We've been doing it for 4 years now. 2017, we skipped 2018, we did in 2019, 20, and now 2021. We're going to have 2 rounds. The bagless is going to be separate from bagged. We're going to do the bagged ones on the next round. So, first off, we're going to start with the Dyson DC-14 Animal, the Hoover Tunnel Home Pet that I just got, the Hoover Wind Tunnel T-Series, the Bissell Clean V2 Bagless Plus, and the brand new Shark Navigator, and the new Shark Navigator Liftaway that I just got. So first, and it's not brand new. It looks pretty brand new when I got it, but it's not. Alright, so anyway, we're going to start with the Dyson DC-14. 3, 2, 1. Okay, didn't do well as I was expecting. Alright, how about the Hoover Total Home Pet? Note, you might see stuff come through here because it's a wind tunnel. Alright, so anyway, let's go with the Hoover Total Home Pet. Still a lot better. Sorry, I shouldn't have done the second pass. Alright, so anyway, it's time for the Hoover T-Series. Note, I just washed the filter. It just took apart the cyclone. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. Wow. Very well. Let's see how much it picked up. Wow. Not bad. Alright, so anyway, now it's time for the Bissell Clean V2 Bagless Plus. Oh, now it's time for the Shark Navigator Liftaway. This one did very well, except for just a few, but I think the Shark wins for round 1. Alright, that's it for round 1. Now, but wait, there's a second round.
What?
See?
Would you mind getting out of my house?
No!
Relax, Angry Grandpa. This is the bagged one, has the Crisis Risen one. But anyways, we have a commercial break.
Other vacuums may start out with powerful suction, and then they lose it. Introducing the all-new Infinity Vacuum. With 24 cyclones, you'll never lose it. The new Infinity never loses suction.
It's here. The Wind Tunnel by Hoover in a new model that's actually self-propelled. It's so easy to use, it almost works by itself. Wind Tunnel harnesses the power of the wind to get carpets cleaner than any other clean air upright. Call now and this new self-propelled wind tunnel can be yours for just 5 easy payments of only $79.99. And there's more. Our super stretch 20-foot hose, an agitator on-off switch for bare floors, and unlike cyclonic machines that use dirt cups, which are messy to empty, Wind Tunnel has a convenient and clean allergen filtration system. Act now and we include all these extras, a $50 value, free. Just 5 easy payments of $79.99. Call now for your self-propelled wind tunnel by
The Wind Tunnel Bagless by Hoover picks up more dirt than any other bagless upright. Wind Tunnel technology for clean, bagless for convenience. And with the powered hand tool, it's more than just easy. It's also quite powerful. Perhaps the world's best vacuum.
You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right, round, round.
They spin, they scrub. They're the spin scrub brushes. Working together, they scrub carpets with heated cleaning, helping the Hoover Steam Vac V2 clean like no other. And the brushes snap out for easy cleaning. Steam Vac with Spin Scrub, only from Hoover.
Right round, like a record, baby, right round.
Introducing the new Eureka Optima. It has all the power and the features of an upright, but just half the weight. Plus, an innovative comfort grip handle. The new Optima from Eureka. Invented for the way you clean.
For the pursuit of cleanliness, the Shark Pursuit. It's bare floor friendly. Light on weight, heavy on power. The bagless upright that takes you wherever there's dirt. True HEPA filtration, wide cleaning path. Shark Pursuit makes it easy to put dirt back where it belongs, so you're back where you belong. Shark Pursuit. Upright or canister, your choice, $99.99. Shark, for life's real messes.
Welcome back, everybody. So, I know there's a bagless one, the Eureka Optima. I just forgot to put it in the first round. So, anyway, we're gonna start with the Price is Risen Sanitaire SC888, the Hoover Elite Energy Efficient from 1991. This one's from, I think, 2002 or so, but it was remanufactured by Hackworth Vacuums, and it was brought back to life in June 2018. When I turned this on, it would not start. I saw a little spark in the vent right there. So, that's the story of that. Anyway, next, number 3, we have the Hoover Wind Tunnel Anniversary Supreme, bagged upright. Number 4, we have the Kirby Ultimate G. And we have, lastly, number 5, we have the 2005 Eureka Optima. Alright, we're going to start. On the count of 3, I want everybody to say, Christ is risen. 1, 2, 3. He is risen indeed. Alright, so anyway, now we're going on with the Hoover Elite. Wow, did pretty well. I think there's a little line because of the belt. The thing that covers the belt's in the way. The sole plate. Alright, so anyway, now we're going on with the Hoover Wind Tunnel Anniversary Supreme. Here we go. Wow, did very well. Alright, now it's time for the Kirby Ultimate G. More than one pass because of the high adjustment. Alright, so anyways, lastly we have the Eureka Optima. Wow. That didn't do as well as I expected, but did pretty well. So anyways, that does it for the video.
I love you, man.
Guys, did Dome Man just come in and say that he loves me? If he did, just comment down below. Alright, but anyway, that's it for the Easter vacuum test. Christ is risen. Alright, that does it for the video. We will see y'all next time.